Hey guys, so as you guys saw, it was a windy day at my house today. Well, apparently it was also windy at Ceiling Fan Wind Chimes and Trains house too. So we're gonna see how windy it was at his house, so here we go.
Alright, so today's a windy day.
Wow, so far it looks a lot calmer.
Winds will be up to about 20 miles per hour, and the gusts will be about up to 35 miles per hour.
Oh, never mind.
30 to 35 miles
The
per
radar
hour.
for me said 39 miles an hour. So,
Ooh, that flag's going crazy. Neighbor's flag. Yeah, for the last few days it's been very warm. The temperatures were up to like 80 something degrees, like lower 80s.
wow, you've been warmer than us.
Just like the last 2 or 3 days ago. Now the temperatures are dropping because the winds.
And I hate that
the winds
too.
come from this direction, but it usually comes.
I'm gonna try not to pause this video too much because I'm kind of limited on storage and yeah, you know. I mean, I never do pause it all that much,
Pretty
but
cold again, which a lot of people don't like. It's gonna be down to 20s tonight and the next day, and then it's gonna be back.
it looks like the wind's blowing the regular way in this video.
70s.
In the other videos I've watched,
It's gonna be a little warm afterwards.
like the other one I reacted to, it was coming from where the fence is.
Little sun. I don't know what these are. These yellow things. Springy type. It's gonna still feel like winter. And I think pretty soon that'll be spring in like the next few weeks for us, since spring is a little early.
Yes, I really hope spring is early this year. I'm just real tired of the cold weather.
The leaves start like little buds and stuff. In like March, that's when leaves grow. Usually leaves grow in March. Maybe and that's spring, and then the worst thing that's coming is pollen season, and I don't like that.
Pollen season sucks.
You can get like allergies and stuff.
Yep.
I don't like it.
And you get spring colds.
Usually pollen's like on pine trees, stuff like that.
Well, thank God I don't have a lot of pine
moderated.
trees around my house.
About to come soon. Whenever spring comes and then leaves are growing, that's when pollen comes. We don't have a bunch. Usually every year we have a bunch of pollen everywhere. But luckily we don't have any right now. Well, we only have just like a little bit. But we still don't get a bunch.
I know I've said this like 1,000 times before, but I can't help it. I love the way those are hung, and they sound beautiful together. I hope I one day have the whole Gregorian collection. Oh, here comes a gust. I feel like that chime gets more attention when it's blowing that way than it does when it's blowing the other way.
That was definitely a good wind gust right there.
Yeah, that was a big one.
Blew that bells at the end really good.
Even those chimes are moving more.
Yeah, a lot of Gregorians don't really chime as much because usually the wind's coming from this way and the house is kind of blocking it a little bit, but it still kind of chimes. Hey, Henry.
There's a dog. My dog follows me everywhere too, as you
My
guys
dog
have probably
Henry.
seen.
Oh yeah, we got another big gust coming.
Yeah, I've definitely seen it windier at his house, but this seems like a decent day. I think it's nice he decided to hang a wind chime in that tree. I've always wondered, he has so much. I've always wondered, like, before he did this,
Okay, man.
like, he has all that extra yard space. Why doesn't he have any wind chimes down that way? And he finally does now, which I'm happy about.
It's one of the medium amazing ghosts. Yeah, the paint's now peeling more.
Yeah, that's looking rough. My Woodstock Rite of Spring chime's looking the same way. I think mine
Yeah, I
actually
had
might
this
be
wind
just a
chime
little
for, like,
worse on the top though.
about 10 years almost. When it gets to July.
10 years.
10 years since 2016.
Yeah,
Same
my
with the
Rite of
small one,
Spring must be
both
newer
since
because it's
July,
rotted way
so
faster.
2016.
The older ones lasted longer. But that's Sullivan's for you. Actually, you know what? It's not just Sullivan's. Even later on in Gary Kavistad's time, the quality dropped too. Those are
Whoa.
really ringing well right now.
Jimmy's chime, a sailor's on this metal thing. Expect that.
You must have had a windy day.
No wonder why it's
I would have
not
loved to
chiming.
have seen that. That's a chime he rarely shows up close. I mean, I've seen it hanging there, but he never really actually shows it.
It lives there.
Okay, I'm gonna say, I know this is a Chimes of Mercury redesign, but at least they took the time to make it unique. You know, yeah, they've never had a chime that you can, like, fill up with bird seed before, which I think that's actually a cool idea. I just wish they wouldn't have done a redesign. I wish they would have made it have its own sound too, but, you know. That's Sullivan's for you. They think they've got to copy other wind chimes every time. It's been a while since we've seen those chimes there. I think those have always hung there ever since he moved. Maybe he hangs them there because he doesn't care about them as much. Well, I mean, I'm not gonna forget what I said. I shouldn't say he doesn't care about them as much, but you know what I mean. He just doesn't focus on them as much, if you know what I mean. There's a charm. Oh, it's been a while since we've seen the carport and those wind chimes. I haven't seen the Ode of Joy in a long time, as well as that one. Now, which tube is the one that fell off of the magical mystery chime? Because I remember him saying a tube fell off.
Oh, this is
Oh,
the list that I haven't even shown.
wait, what is that?
I've only shown it one time.
Oh, it's the trio.
It was
Oh,
There's
wasn't that hanging at a pool one time?
This wind chime was about almost 4 years ago.
Maybe
And
he
I
asked
brought it
them
back
if he
since it's
if
not
he could
much
have it, and they
it's,
said yes.
From Hobby Lobby 4 years ago, or yeah, it was 4 years ago. It needs fixing.
I guess you could hammer the nails back in.
Do something with it later.
Oh, there we are out front.
Alright, out in the front.
I think that's a nice combination he hung there together. He kept the two bells of pianos together and hung the Corinthian, Arabesque, and gentle spirits together. I like that. And for some odd reason, in the front of the house, it looks like the wind's blowing the opposite way. Even though it should be blowing, you know. Maybe it's the house creating some sort of wind terran. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right. Terrian. I think I hear the
finally put up all of our shadows.
Oh, they look nice.
Almost last
They are new. I just realized that. They're nice.
We've been wanting our new shadows for like months and months.
What was I saying a minute ago? Oh yeah, I hear the Nature's Melody chime. It must be nearby. I actually think it's hanging in the tree.
Last year. And then the old shadows was rotting away for a long time, and it looked pretty ugly. So we wanted new shadows for like a long time, and we finally put new ones on, but we hired somebody to put it in because we didn't have a tool best suited for concretes. Because it's a brick house, and it's pretty hard to drill in like bricks and concretes.
Oh, there's a little gust.
So we took out the old shadows back in November, I think, and then we waited like until.
Yep, I was right. It's hanging there.
It was too hard, so I had to hire somebody to put it in. And
yeah, the shutters look nice.
It's now royal blue.
Nice color and everything.
And we still have to get one more coat of paint for the front door to make it look nicer. And this finish also matches this Arabesque wind chime. It's a good match. Well, this blue is a little darker than the Arabesque.
Have you ever thought about hanging the chimes of Mars with the chimes of Saturn, since they're both encore chimes?
The Corinthian bells matches the other two wind chimes in the trio. And the black wind chime right there. These two red and black wind chimes matches this.
Oh, okay. Okay.
It's green. It does matches. Just plants, stuff like that. This Arabesque matches too. So all of these wind chimes matches great for out here. No, quieter than rooftop chimes that I had like last year.
It's still windy at my house. I can literally hear my chimes outside right now.
Yeah, this one chime looks like it got faded more over the past year. This black got faded. It used to be like darker black, but now it's like a lighter black. It looks like gray now.
Yeah, it does look like green.
And then this middle thing
I don't even think that's a real
deteriorated
Nature's
really
Melody
good.
chime because the real ones have the logo and
This wind chime's so good. It's a Hobby
the note
Lobby
graph on them. I'm pretty
version.
sure.
Fake like Nature Melodies.
I mean, it sounds nice, but oh, there's a big one.
Yeah, this sail hits this tree a lot. It hits it every time it's windy. And then
If it's
these,
blowing the other way, it probably
that's
wouldn't
why I
hit the
got
tree as much.
little leaf buds, little red leaves. It starts off with red and then it turns
Oh,
it's bigger.
that makes me so
This tree,
happy.
we had this tree for about almost 4 years.
I can't wait for spring.
And it's gotten a little bit bigger.
How big is that tree gonna get?
We got leaves starting to grow. Usually leaves on this tree grows very late. Like all the other trees have leaves, and then this tree doesn't have leaves yet, and then after about a month later, like in May, it gets leaves and it grows. So hopefully it gets leaves around the same time as all of our big trees. And then I think this tree is getting a little bit like tiny leaf buds. Focus, there we go. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's reddish green, red and green, I mean, leaf buds. That means spring is coming. Looking forward to that. It's a growing season though, right? Let my dad trim off these bushes and keep them focused. Come on. Let's see what focus. There we go.
Man, I hear a lot of birds in the background too.
Using the iPad since the old phone broke just a few
That's
weeks
another
ago.
good sign of spring.
That's where I usually make longer videos for wind chimes and stuff. But yeah, my dad pulled up these bushes. They were tall, and they will eventually grow again. So they have thorns on it. Yeah, some of them. Yeah, these bushes have thorns. They're sticky. And we have this Japanese maple right here. It's gonna get some leaves soon. I got this Space Odyssey. Yeah, it gotten deteriorated since I had it for 6 years now out here.
And it still sounds
Yeah,
good.
we're probably gonna eventually paint the house soon in like a new beige, I think, because it's hold on, this thing won't focus again. There we go. Paint's peeling and some wood is getting whiting. We'll fix that. And this one should coupled it with that. It's still good. Had it since 2019 Christmas. Getting some breeze. Halloween. Okay, I think we got a little big.
Oh, we're back on the carport again.
Well, probably won't blow as much in here. Well, maybe.
Yeah, I think that.
This one could go in here.
Wait a minute. I just realized there's a chime missing. Oh, wait.
These chimes do
Where's
go
the
off
Clarity
on,
Loon?
breezy days.
Or am I hallucinating? Maybe it's. Oh, there it is. Alright, I see it. Yeah. It's just lower now. I wonder why it's hanging lower. I mean, it can't ring as well there.
That was a good one.
Oh, I think I just saw the which two. There's his broken collection. I think I saw the one of the tubes looked a little higher up on the Magical Mystery Chime, Amazing Grace. I think I know which one got fell off now.
This door right there doesn't fit for our lawnmower. This big lawnmower we got last year, almost, back in March. And it doesn't fit through here with the shed. And this fence was built like in, I'm guessing it was mid-2000. And this shed wasn't even there then. It was put in like early 2010.
That's an old fence.
The shed.
And an old shed.
So, we're gonna get a new fence soon. We're gonna move this door over here so that way when, right here, that way we're gonna fit the lawnmower back here so we can mow the backyard. Yeah, and it's also rotting away too, and it's about to fall soon. Because it's getting pretty old. I don't know if we're keeping this or not. Maybe, I don't know. This door is like, doesn't want to close all the way too, so we might have to fix that. But yeah, we'll go ahead and head out. So,
Okay. Sorry, my mom hollered at me. Oh, and that's it anyway. So, that was a good video. It was a lot windier at my house, but he got some decent wind today too. So, I hope y'all enjoyed and goodbye.